At first when we were pitching the idea, we looked at 3 or 4 different softwares, and some of them did 80% of what we wanted. Fleet Cost and Care was the one that had 180% of what we needed.
Never even a question to us as to whether or not this became an option. This is what we felt was the best decision for the future of our company. We understood what the future gains would be.
For us as an organization, we didn't just arrive at the decision that we needed a software, right? We went through a process, and it really started with pain points. So Fleet Cost and Care packaged all of that for us.
And so implementing ADAM for us just gave us a really good tool for our entire organization to always kind of know what was going on in real time. The more you can simplify that process, the more intuitive that process or the system you're using is, the easier the compliance.
We've been able to mitigate a lot of cost with our growth because of Fleet Cost and Care.